converting it. So we can pass this particular thing here, so that shows you. Now just I'll make you notice, whenever you go, it is showing random category id, because you are putting this thing as a double quote. It is itself, it is becoming a string, single string. It is not passing whatever the random id we have captured in this particular variable, like it is reptiles. And now I want to make sure why each and every time this particular 4 is coming. Let me just go. Okay, make sure we'll run. So in the previous, I told you that I'll show you something, right? So instead of now, okay, what I will do, I'll write a function here. Now let's just see, compile it. Okay, we can use a random function. I don't know why this is coming each and every time. So we have a random function in C also, which is called rand modulo 5. Let's just find out, comment this whole thing, copy this whole thing, and now we can pass rand modulo 4. let's just see in watch, put here breakpoint, compile it, see the errors. Okay, still I saw this thing. Now compile it. There will not be any error. Even we can pass lr eval compile it. No error. Just make sure modulo 5 because we have 5 value 0 1 2 3 plus 1. Save, run it. We'll see in the watch in this particular random what is the we have already configured. So see 3 is coming now, and last time I observed that reptile was coming each and every time. So in watch we'll see what is the value we are capturing. We are capturing dogs, so this is what I was telling. And now let's just put this particular, maybe, okay, we cannot, we can only just capture the c variable. So we'll see in output. See smdocs.gif. So even we have converted that thing, so you don't need to worry. You can even pass a lr eval string, and whatever way you wanted to pass, it will just print on that particular thing. Even if it is dog, cat, rat, mat, anything, it is dynamic now. So this is the way we have to build the script. So now let me just save the script and check out the response first, if we are getting the response of dogs or not. Always make sure you do this particular thing because your script is should be a working one. So see, I am getting the product dog. So bulldog, poodle, Dalmatian, golden retriever, Labrador, and Chihuahua. So again, we'll confirm in the website whether this is the same thing we are receiving or not. Bulldog, poodle, Dalmatian, golden retriever, Labrador retriever, Chihuahua. Okay, so you made this thing dynamic in nature, and now according to iteration, this might vary, and this is all already dynamic in nature. So instead of fish menu, you can write product menu, comment. So now we'll focus. We have to again we have to capture this progressive parent. We have to give a name. So What is this thing? Product IDs. So you have to give C underscore product ID, comma LB equals to make with caps lock, comma RB equals to, again there will be multiple things, so you have to pass ordinance equals to all to capture the array of values, and last. So this is how, again coming to left and right boundary, we'll have to search it from here. Paste here. We have already product ID, so this is the same thing that is coming repeating. So you can consider this as your left boundary is here, and consider your right boundary as this. So you can even mention, give the view product as well, slash, I'll pass this thing, okay, that it captures the whole thing. There is no confusion anymore. Let's see, we'll run it till here. We are capturing this particular IDs or not, we'll see. Runtime. So now see, before we were getting, in the fourth value we are getting reptiles. See the first value, second value, third value, fourth value, we are getting reptiles. So in reptiles we have only two things. Let's just verify in this particular thing as well. So we are having two product IDs. So now it's the same way we have to randomize it, product ID also. So just copy this thing. Again, one thing I'll put a highlight. So you don't know the things. So based on the count, you have to parameterize. So here I'm getting one more value. See product ID count. So you have to give on that particular fashion. What you have to do now, this as it is already converted, I'm reassigning here. After this, stop below. Now see product IDs count. So you have to convert A to I, the string, see product ID count. See product ID underscore count. So each and every time when there is two product, it will select from two. So as in this particular dogs, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 product, and in this fish, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 product. Cats again, it is different. So based on the product, it will randomize the thing. So this is the way you have to convert it, save it, and then take this particular thing now. So instead of a random product ID, a category ID, we have to give one more name, a random product ID. Save it, copy this thing, and bring out action. So instead of random category ID, I'll pass random product ID and save. I'm just replacing this particular variable. I don't want to create one more variable even each time because this can solve my problem. So now again I'm printing output message. What is my random variable now? Just to make sure this is correct or not. Save. What is the product ID? Save passing. Save. Compile it. See the errors. There are no errors. Now run it. Okay. So something is failing. Arithmetic error. Int divide by 0 received. Okay. So what I will do, I store into a product count. Product count equals to paste, save, okay, copy this thing, +1, save it, global variable, not to mention. So what's the purpose of global variable? This, if you whatever you mention in this particular global variable, it will be available for all the action parts, init, action, user, and anywhere you can capture that value. That's the reason I'm defining the global value, not in that particular action. So again, now I wanted to see the product count. So we have to do the same process. Go to watch, uh, save it, compile it, and run it. Go to watch, remove this. Now add the product count. That is 0. Let me just find out. Okay, we had done a very big mistake in this particular thing, and I think you might not have identified here. So we missed this thing. So this is how we have to write it. See, as it is this LR variable, it is making this particular thing as a string. Now definitely we don't have any error. Run it. Definitely the product count will be captured. I'm 100% sure. So see, there is product ID count is 2. Okay, let's see the product ID. Null, fish. Okay, one error more. So this is the way you have to build the script. You have to modify each and every time with proper understanding. And see, this is the way I have done a mistake. Instead of this particular product ID, as I have already captured this product ID, copy this thing. That's the reason I was using watch. I got to understand that I'm using the wrong thing. Now, random product ID will be shown. I'm 100% sure that this should pass here. Save it. And now, our your in. So, instead of this. Okay. So for the same purpose, I'm just running it. Definitely it will pass. Go to watch, see the product count. This is the breakpoint, like you can toggle one by one. This is the F10 key. So watch is 6. Product count is 6. So now let's see what is this particular, and what is the random product I am capturing. K9RT. So it is coming reptile. So we'll verify K9RT01 is available in this particular page or not. So go to reptile and okay, K9RT01. So dogs, where the random number is 4. In the runtime data, I'll go and show you category ID. Okay, so definitely we captured all the things and we are able to run as well. So we'll just modify it once and then we can save string. Waiver is fine. Copy this thing. Click product ID. Okay, go to snapshot, response body, copy. Now again, I don't want this here. Just removing it. The next page, what is unique text? I have to find out. Let's see if I'm going fish, selecting tiger shark. This page list price can be unique. You can take copy this thing instead of product ID, list price, save it, and now copy this thing. So now put a breakpoint here, save and run. So birds. Okay, let's just stop this particular thing and check this particular response. Birds, go to birds, AVSP. So we'll confirm the runtime data. ABSP02, ABSP02 and ABCV01. So again, what is selected? We'll see in the output console. Okay, so here we have added one more save string. And product ID, this thing, log, save. We have to check the response as well. What is the random product ID it captured? Go to response, select this thing. In replay, it should show birds. Copy this thing, remove it. So it is not capturing. This thing and save. Now just check the errors and no errors. Let me run it once. Bird started. So I'll stop it. Let me just show this particular random product underscore LR. So what it is capturing. Definitely we'll definitely get the response. Copy it. Okay guys, we'll see this in next class and I'll get back to you. Okay, I have to go somewhere. So thanks guys, thanks for joining this class. Have a great day.